55. No. No. And this is actually a fingerspell loan sign. It doesn't look like it, but you're actually doing an N and an O. You just don't see it because they're combining the two. No. 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 Yes is also done that way. Yes. Yes. See how I'm doing the Y and coming to an S real fast? I'm doing the Y-E-S. See how I'm starting there, but then it goes to the S? That means it's a fingerspelled loan sign. Yes. We did north, so now let's do not understand. This is understand, so not understand. Same sign, only our non-manual markers are going to be different. I don't understand. I don't understand. Understand. Don't understand. OIC. In ASL we have what's called listener's feedback. And during a conversation, in English for instance, when you're talking to someone, usually you're not just silent and stony-faced, but you'll say, oh yeah, or You'll comment. It's called feedback. In ASL, they have what's called listener's feedback, and that's OIC, and they do it like this. Okay? So it's like a Y, but the hands are kind of, the fingers in the middle are kind of bent, and it just goes up and down. And it might be more up sometimes. It might just, it means that you're paying attention and giving feedback. Okay? Next, we have another loan sign. This is, I believe, number 56. And it is okay. You can see it two-handed if you really okay. 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 57. Just like our door, we have our window, only it's going to be horizontal. Open the window, close the window, window, window. Just like sit and chair, we repeat it. Window, open the window, close the window. And just to refresh you, door, door, open the door, close the door. 58, 58, 58. Opposite, opposite, opposite. If you add the agent marker to opposite, you get your enemy. Opposite person is an enemy. You can also do think opposite and you get disagree. Think opposite. Okay? Opposite. 59 is please. 60, put down. This is not like put down like if you're carrying something and you put it down. That would be more put it down. But if you're copying something and you're putting it down. Put down. Okay? 61, read, read. Here's your paper and you're reading it. You can read. More formal would be read, but informal read, read. 62, 62, remember. 63, 63, same. But same as me would be this. Like if you and I are the same, same. If those two are the same, they're the same. This is a directional sign again. You can use it to refer to in first person, second person, or third person. Like me and him, me and her, those two, or more arbitrary use. I am more, I can't think of the word right now. Anyway, where it's not connected to a person or anything, but if a standard is the same, this is also the sign for standard because it's the same. You'll also, an older sign that was used for same was, this is used more for also. also. But this is used for also too, like, oh, me too, also. But like also, I went to the store, blah, 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 blah. It's not used a whole lot anymore in ASL, so more what you see is this. The two hands, again, is more of a formal or emphatic, and the one hand is less informal. Okay? Moving on, we have senior in school, which we've already done. So now we're down to sick, which is going to be number 65, I think. Your head hurts and your stomach hurts. Sick. But you don't really go down to your stomach, you point more at your chest. Sick, sick, sick. This is a sign that is also used as slang in the deaf community. For instance, it can be used jokingly, like I'm sick of you, like it really depends on your non-manual expression, your expression. This is a sign for expression. Your facial features. So you can be like, if you take the one hand and you turn it in, that's more like jokingly, okay? But if you want a negative form, which is more hurtful, like if someone's just really getting on your nerves or you're just sick of them, you would do it towards them. Sick. That makes me sick. Like if homework, sick, school, sick of it. You're sick of it. You take that middle finger, it stays bent, and you push it out towards what you're talking about. Sick, it makes me sick. But if you're sick, it's sick, sick.